the last 6 years, we've been fortunate enough to enjoy countless adventures together. And I've had the even greater fortune to fall in love with my best friend and to be loved in return. You know, although there's plenty of good and bad ahead of us, I wouldn't want to share the future with anyone else.
When I am impatient, you help me calm down. When I am critical and judgmental, you help me find a different perspective. When I get frustrated, you make me laugh. And when I fail or mess up or fall down, you are always there for me. I could not find a better partner for me than you, in any timeline or in any infinite number of alternate and parallel universes.
I mean, this looks amazing. Wow. Oh, nice ring. Who gave it to you?
Thank you.
Okay.
Do you take Kathy to be your wife? Do you promise to love and respect her, to stand by her through all of life's joys and disappointments, and to build a home of love, happiness, and growth with her?
Yeah. Sorry, I do. Yeah. Yes, I do.
I now pronounce you married. You may now share a kiss.